Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries, and today we're going to be mounting the XA102 trimmer rack to our enclosed trailer. So what I've already done, I've went ahead and assembled everything on here, as you can see, and it'll make it a lot faster. Now all we'll have to do is just screw it onto the wall. So when you get yours, assemble everything together, get your tabs set where you want them, and then all you have to do is simply just mark down how far down off the wall or the ceiling you'd like to mount those, and then how far apart. In our cases, we went 5 inches down and 34.5 inches wide, and so that's going to allow us to line up with everything. The beauty with our trimmer racks is that you're literally no more than 4 inches off the wall, so you don't have to worry about obstructions or other problems like that occurring. So let's go ahead and screw it in. I've already preset my holes, so it'll make it easy and quick for us. That one's in. Grab our supporting side here. Okay, we'll line everything up so it looks presentable. That one's in. Okay, now we're in. We're up against the wall. It's very quick and easy to do. We're going to go ahead and put our trimmers in here, and then we'll make any adjustments we need to. So the square part receives in, so it can't rotate and spin. Our supporting side's on this side. We'll put our other trimmer in, just like that. Everything looks good. So I'm happy with the way everything is setting up. I'm going to go ahead and put a few more screws in all 4 corners just to make it a little bit stronger. So that's the way you install the XA102, the XB103, and the XC104 to an enclosed trailer. Very simple. We appreciate your business, and stay original.